Hi guys, welcome to this session in LibreOffice Calc. In this module, I want to show you how you can link sheets together and type so that whatever you type on the first sheet will automatically cascade through all the other sheets that you've got part of the link, or grouped as it's called. So on the screen at the moment I have a blank spreadsheet with 4 sheet tabs. I've got Jan, Feb, March and then a total sheet. So I'm going to link them together. So I'll start on January. I'll just get rid of that bit of text that's there. Hold my shift key down and click on the total sheet. You can see that they've slightly changed colour, gone white. That means that they are now grouped. So whatever I type on here is going to go on every sheet. So let's just get going with a little spreadsheet. So if I type week 1 and just pull that across so it's to week 5, and then after that I'll do a total, and then just simply income expense in column A, income expense, and then balance in column A. And then I need to do a little sum here to work out what that is. So equals B3 minus B4. I can tick that and just pull that over. There's no figures there, so it's just going to say 0. Here I need to do the sum function to work out what's going to go in this top row. So I just did Alt equals, which is the key command for sum, and then I just basically need to highlight where I want that sum function to look, and then tick that and pull that down. And then I need to format this slightly. So if I just highlight all of this area and make sure that is set to currency, so I'll click on the pound sign. I also want a title, sales and marketing, and I want that to be merged and centered across the top. So if I highlight across the top like that, click on merge and center, and that goes in the middle. And then I'm going to highlight the whole table because I want to put all borders on that. So all borders, that one. And then this bit in the middle, I want to color in a particular color, not that color, so I'll go for orange, like that. So that's gone through on every sheet. So if I just quickly have a look to see if that worked, if I click on February, it's the same on February, it's the same on March, and it's the same on the total. And now once I've clicked on these sheets, you can see it's ungrouped them. So if I wanted to type something else, I would have to regroup them, but I don't. So I'm going to go on to the total sheet because I want to change this slightly. So I don't want it to look like this. I'm going to highlight those 2 columns and delete those columns. And I'm going to change week 1 to Jan and just pull that across for February and March. So we've got the monthly totals here. And then I want to link this to those 3 sheets. So this one is going to be equals, down to Jan, I want the total income, which is that cell. So you can see the formula there. It's slightly different to normal. It says Jan G3. That's what I want. Ticking that. I can pull that down because the expense is directly below, and that says Jan G4. And then I need to repeat the process for each of the months. So February down to Feb, G3 first of all. Check that, says G3, tick, pull that down. And then last but not least, March equals, down to March, G3, check it says March G3, tick that, pull it down, like so. And then I want this, all of this, just that bit, to be a chart. So if I go to the insert option there, you've got chart, and that'll drop a chart on, which is quite big because I've got it zoomed up, but I'll just go finish because that's what I do want, that one. Finish. And then I'm going to need to reduce this quite a lot. Click off it and then get on it again. Should be able to reduce that if I can get the right symbol. like so. So make that a bit smaller, then just move the whole thing underneath this little table. I'll probably need to make it a little bit smaller still. And then with all of these sort of spreadsheets that you set up like this, you need to test it with some test data that you can check that it's correct. So basically I want to go onto each sheet and type in some figures that then will come through onto this sheet and populate this chart. So if I go to Jan and just go £10 and £5 expense, I'm checking that that picks up £5 and so does the total at the end. I'll do the same for February. That was February. I'll do it on January. 10 and 5. And then I'll do it on March because I've already done February. So I'm checking that. That's okay. And then March, last one, 10 and 5. And if this is all working correctly, on the total sheet it should be 50, 30, 15. 30, 15, and the chart is picking that up, and you can see the chart like so. So that's all I want to talk about in this little video, how you can use the group feature to get consistency of layout across multiple sheets, and whatever you type on the first sheet will cascade through all the other sheets at the same time, creating a great spreadsheet. And then lastly, we linked it together using the equals symbol and use the sum function as well. So hopefully this little video was of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.